Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to watch movies on YouTube. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to youtube.com. So let's head on to youtube.com. Alright, so over here we are on YouTube. So what you can do is just search for the movie name. So here I'm going to search movie name, and as you can see, this is the full movie that has been uploaded to YouTube, and you can view this in YouTube for free. So there is another method that you can watch the YouTube movies. So here you can see, over here on the left hand side you can see we have various other services from YouTube. So what you can do is YouTube movies. You can search this, and here you can see the tab for movies. So currently it is not available in my country, but if you are in countries like US, you will be able to see there will be some films over here that you can rent or purchase, and that's another way that you can watch movies on YouTube. So that is how you'll be able to watch movies on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.